Hello everyone, I am Songashim Rungsung, Mr. Friendship International Second Runner-Up 2022.
Hello everyone, I am Manasha Devi Sapam, your Reigning Miss Manipur 2022.
It is with much excitement that I, on behalf of Dewdrops, bring you all Season 8 of the Ringui's Got Talent, a state-level talent hunt, which is to be held on the 3rd and the 4th March 2023. The event will be a part of the celebration of Ringui Luirupanit Cultural Seed Sowing Festival and feature myriad performances from different genres. Main aim of Ringui's Got Talent is to tap the potential, nurture and promote the professionalism in each career. It also stands for promoting healthy lifestyle and also to inspire the younger generation from avoiding from bad habits and substance abuse.
Moreover, as art has no boundaries, RGT vouches for bringing all the people together for social harmony and peace. The Ringui's Got Talent Season 8 na lagpada Manipur da leibiriba mipum khudimak na lagpiduna adom da leiriba talent sing adubu showcase taunabagi khudongchaba lawbiyo.
Audition na lagliba February 11 Mazui Theatre Ukhrul tawzalani amasu lakadoriba February 18 dana Imphal ki classic Grande na tawzalani. Winner da 1 lakh cash prize pizagani amasu first runners up amasung second runners up da 50k amasung 30k tawzalani.
Adomgi Pithorapa talentuna lag amagi mapu oibiyu. For more details, please contact the given numbers.
And I will also be there to witness the young talents on the grand finale of Ringui's Got Talent on 4th March 2023. So see you all there.
Mayam pumna magsulakpiyu ay sungay zaramgi.